Hello and welcome everyone. So this time I came with a very beautiful and elegant 3D frame which is made for a couple, a lovely couple on their anniversary. So if you can see here, I'll give you a close-up look. It was a bit difficult for me to shoot it with a ring light because the ring light was visible on the glass, and that's how it was not I was not able to show you the perfect images from inside. So I thought of holding my camera on my hand and then showing it to you. So I'll take my camera a little bit closer to the frame now, and I'll start telling you that how the entire thing looks like. So this is a couple, and here I have given an entire garden finish look. So I have used various different color of moss, some crystal pearls, crystal balls, and these all are the handmade flowers which is adorned with rainbow glitter. Now coming towards this side, it has a 3D sofa which I have made with the use of felt and mount board, and this hand cushion are completely hand stitched. Now coming to this corner, it has this flower pot. It has a beautiful plant inside. Now these are the frames. These are the tiny little frames, and it is in the size of 1 inches by 1.5 inches, all the frames. This is a clock which is in the diameter of 1.6 inches, and I have covered it with a quilling strip, and on top of that I have also used acetate to give it that glass effect. I am not sure if you can able to see this in the through the glass, but it has that glass effect which I have given through the acetate sheet. Now this corner was empty, and so I thought of giving some natural climber sort of a thing here. So I have used pollens, different sort of pollens here to make this side. Now the top side I have adorned with this beautiful multicolored flowers. The pink and the blue flowers has the crystal on it. It has a semi-precious crystal on it, and this yellow flowers has white pearls on it. Now coming towards here, this is the quotes which my client wanted me to paste on their wall, and this is the entire plant which has various flowers, different color of flowers. This is a flower pot, and here this two white line which is a stair. Now coming here, the center of the room has this shelf which holds two plants and one Batman logo. So now reason being putting so many plants is because this lady loves plant, she loves greenery, so it was for her, and this gentleman loves fond of Batman, so I have added a Batman logo here along with this tiny dots. These are actually a glitter which is showing a bat logo with lighting, with LED lighting inside. So this is how my entire frame looks like, and the entire size of the frame is 12 inches by 12 inches, and the depth is 2 inches. Now coming to the magic of this frame, this frame also has a light inside. So let me open that for you. So it has a battery operated light inside, because I have I'm shooting this on my ring light, so that's why this light is not that visible here, but this is how it looks. Alright, just give me a second, I'll close my ring light and I'll show you how it looks. And that's how the entire frame looks like. And this is how my frame looks when I close my light. Isn't it looking so gorgeous? So if you also want to place an order, want to customize something for you for any occasion, be it a birthday, anniversary or a wedding gift, or in any occasion for your baby, for your baby's birth and for your memory of baby, or for your pregnancy, do contact me on my Instagram handle. I'll be sharing the details into the description box. You can DM me there, and we'll be happy to make something customized for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.